Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about uninstalling the TikTok application from your Android smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings gear button. Then you want to select the apps tile and then select where it says see all apps. And then scroll down and locate the TikTok app and select it, and then select uninstall. Do you want to uninstall this app? Select OK, and you may have to give it a moment to complete, but that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.